All right, welcome back, my people. Now, still the Good Morning Naija show be this. And if you just join us, well, you don't miss small, but we still get plenty things where you go fit chook mouth inside. Now, this one, now very, very important conversation, we just been come out recently, and it raised a lot of eyebrows because it involved people where they put for somewhere, whether now against their will or whether now with themselves decide to enter there. Matter don't they rise regarding this one. So, we dey talk about some children them where police being realized or where they discover for one place for Ondo State, one church for Ondo State. They say they see 50 kidnapped children them inside the church for underground, as you can see from the videos. Now waiting with they play for there. So, and this matter don't be serious issue. So we say make we follow person where they inside Ondo State, where gets the better information regarding this one. Now SP Fumilayo Odunlami, now police public relations officer. Now them know as they go take bring this matter come out and tell us what really happened for that place as it be. Madam, good morning, and we appreciate you say you join us on top of the show this morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
All right. My name is Naija. I dey here with Precious and Ochuko, and we'll go follow look as this situation take place. So, madam, from the side of una now, make una we don't see them for paper, waiting paper they talk, but one here from una side. How waiting be the cocoa of this matter we happen gong for inside Ondo State? If you help us break them down sharply.
Thank you. First of all, make us first change that narrative. Don't be say they kidnap 50 children put for church.
Okay.
The thing will happen, we say we get the information, say some people they want church, say they don't stay away, they don't stay there.
Okay.
Say some people don't live out since last year. So when we can't go there, as police reach there, say maybe they talk to pastor. Now in church member vest, what the police can't do? Attack police. Later police shall go bring other policemen come with reinforcements and people where they the area. We shall reach there. You know, 77 people now we rescue. 43 are adults. 43 they be adults.
Okay.
26 children dead there. And when we ask the pastor, say, what did they do for that side where he call basement? He said when they can't do VG, when person tired, now there the person they sleep.
Okay.
We can ask and say, but some of the parents will come, they talk say, you say Jesus will come in April. Say later than September, it will come again. Now the man say, now wait till Holy Spirit tell him they talk. Say now church will believe in prophecy, dream and vision.
Okay.
It be like say her network this is. I would like hear more about them because I won't understand how the allegation of trafficking
Madam,
is inside this matter.
Madam, we'll be lose you small for your conversation. I beg. If you just help us reverse small, continue from where you be the talk, say, if you just take them back small for us. Make we hear what you talk earlier.
Okay. I say, no, because of, say, they kidnap 50 children.
Exactly, yes.
Because when we reach there, after the whole thing, now 77 people will bring commot. Adults, they there. Children, they there. Teenagers, they there. So not be only children. There.
Okay.
And most of the children were there. Some of them, their papa or mama, they there too.
Okay. Okay, so, madam, at what point will you be saying news can't gather, you can't enter trafficking and hypnosis, say they hypnotize some of them, and some of them, they won't carry them for trafficking. How that matter can use come up where the thing they show for news now, like that?
You know, say, Nigerians, now different story you go there hear. But me, where they there, we know the real thing, I mean, they tell you now. Say now 77 people, they carry come out for the church. Adults where they there, they be 43. So, some parents don't go to church before, they know they go again, but their children say they go still they go. Some parents never even go to church before, because yesterday now, some parents come from Ilorin, another man come from Lagos. He say in Pikin tell and say, he get prophetic calling, like Abraham, say God say make him come out for among the people. Make he come go start another place. And the say the boy dey part 4 futa. Now so the boy no come go school again. Say God don't call him for prophetic ministry.
Okay.
And they said now since 2020, the boy don't start that thing. So some of them, that Saturday, parents were there with their children. We say make them they go. One way follow him papa. The papa come say the girl no eat. Some stay. Even we beg them, we talk to them. They say they don't hear. So this office again, we say they no go. I talked to one myself, say, follow your mama now. She said, God, she won't follow. I don't say for years. She said she did okay for years. I said, you know, if you did here, even Ministry of Women Affairs for Ondo State, they don't come too. They don't talk to them. They don't see them. So we they try talk to them. They say they won't go with the Lord. Say they won't go.
Okay, so Madam, now what still bring me back to that question where I ask you be that any evidence say with the look of things now, these people they either don't indoctrinate them to make them believe what in them believe so far, or maybe they hypnotize them as some news they carry for some quarters.
Me, I know if you talk say na hypnotize them.
Okay.
But pastor don't preach. And when we ask pastor say na the thing where they inside Bible in they preach. Say inter them say
network.
Our network, the network don't get small issue.
When they ask pastor say, but if you say pastor tell them say obey your parents in the Lord.
Yes.
Then they can say if you obey your parents in the Lord, even that Bible say honor your father and mother. You get so far, if Papa and Mama no believe what she believe, they are no longer a parent in the Lord, so she cannot obey them.
Okay.
All right.
And
okay. SP.
And pastor say,
okay.
Sir?
Now, maybe we just move on a little bit further. According to one of the pastors, when they talk, he say, first of all, engage them, and they tell una say, that they do program, they go finish on Sunday. So when they finish on Sunday, then on Monday una fit come. Say, but una people come engage, they break the gate, break the wall, enter, even shoot tear gas towards some of the children. That now what one of the pastor talk. So why una rules of engagement, according to the pastors alleged, come day like that? Or na lie the pastor they lie?
Bros, policemen will go there, enter church, because if you say they break gate, enter, how come you fit tell them say you dey do program?
Okay.
As policemen will go there, as they reach the church, signal say they wan see pastor. Church members say they see pastor, like see police, now they change their mind. They start to holler. One of the teenagers say they were on the defensive side that day. They just wanted to defend the sanctuary. You see police, no be say we don't enter your church. Say now the compound today say, please, we want see pastor.
Una shoot tear gas inside the church.
Me, I don't see tear gas issue there, so I know if you talk the one way I don't know.
Okay. Okay. SP, looking at the situation now, because of the different conversations where they come out around this issue, you be done to talk say most of the people where they talk say they did there on their own free will, or they decide to do there as the matter take be. Now the pastor, according to some report, the people talk say they're not going to leave until they release the pastor. So under what ground una take hold the pastor? Why una hold am?
Well, there is a case of conduct likely against that pastor, because if that day police no hold that ground hold the church, people don't come say they go burn church. You know, as things they be for Naija, say, see as you put people here. If you hear wetin parents, they talk, say, my pikin don comot out since February 2020. One man come say, your wife carry 2 children comot. Say, and this pastor, they know they allow them enter that church. They know they allow them. If they say they want to see their family, now attack, they go attack them. Say, you don't care, they don't, they drown. One woman even talk, say, in pikin carry and go human rights, say, she don't grow, she don't pass a thing. She fit go anywhere. So that kind of thing now, person has to be careful, because before you know, they go if they burn church or insult or assault pastor, burn pastor, it go become another wahala. We are still doing our investigation. We ask pastor some major question. Okay. So that we go know what's up. We know what really happened.
All right, thank you so much, SB. But we could just let Nigerians know say phone lines don't open. So they will
open our phone lines now so that other Nigerians they feel calling to ask any kind of question within their mind, one by each. But going by the law, if this very matter could result to say the pastor they guilty, wetin go be in fate?
If he is guilty, it's the law court that will determine that. By the time when we finish investigation, legal department they follow the investigation. They know wetin they go charge them for. So when they charge them, now court go feel tell us wetin go happen.
Okay, because I been won't even ask, so what's be the likely crime where our offense, so it be say they won't even charge them for in the first place. The fact say it gather so many people put in a place like that for number of days na crime in the first place. The fact is some parents don't know where their children will be mind or been day. A few of them, as you don't talk, so most of them know. That one self na crime. So what's be the likely crime where you be say if you don't possibly commit so far, where in fit they charge for if on a one charge them?
Of course, if these children are less than 17 and he's putting them there, that's a case of abduction. There's, like I said before, case of conduct likely also they there. But by the time when we finish investigation, you know, say so many things there where we know if we talk for public. When we during investigation, when we go here, but we know if we tell people until we finish. So when they won't charge them that time, the legal session will tell us. This one they there, this one they there. Now this one's making a charge and for and go carry and go court.
Okay, so as we dey wait for calls from our jail people then to they come in, we go also like know waiting be the condition of the parents and with their children they need. Both the parents and with they there with their children and the ones with their children when no say because we see person we talk say you don't even know say picking they there since he supposed to go school, he there 400 level for school and you don't know say picking they there. So waiting be the waiting those parents and waiting be their body language so far. Waiting do they do?
On the norms, no papa or mama go happy say the kid where you send go school. He just come out school. Go say God call her, get one prophetic ministry, they do anyhow. Nobody go like that thing. Even one man they talk say maybe he go use rope tie him brother go house because that one to say he no go. But parents no, on the norms, so no papa or mama go happy say that kind of thing happen.
So as it is, you've been talk say if the children they below the age of 17. So for those ones where they above the age of 18, is it not their choice? Can they, should they know if you just talk, say, okay, now waiting I want to do, and the parents must respect their decision? You know if you say that oneself now part of the situation?
Those ones now their choice. Say they won't go there. But some of these people, when we see they talk, they're under the tutelage of their parents too, because they still be undergraduates, where they pay their school fees.
Okay.
And at that their mama, papa house, they go back to normal, before this kind of thing come happen, we say they know they go house again.
All right, we get a call from Port Harcourt. Make we take.
Hello.
Hello, good morning,
Hello, good
Juliet.
morning, Juliet.
Yes.
Oh yeah, Juliet.
Juliet calling from Port Harcourt.
All right,
Thank you, Juliet.
ask your question,
Put mouth for
Juliet.
talk.
My question be say, the direction to this policeman where they talk.
Yeah.
You they hear me?
She they hear you.
They
Go
hear
ahead.
you.
She they hear you.
Ask her be say, how that pastor go teach children where they less than 18 years. For a start, number one, they have not even reached the age to make decisions on their own. Then number two, what if they are allergic to something? Look at how they tax those children. What if any of them is allergic to one thing or the other, or one of them is sick or something? They can even contact infection from there.
Okay. So now health
and,
hazard.
And the thing self, I don't even understand what this woman they talk. I don't understand what they talk.
Okay, so
the way they are there is inhuman.
It's
okay, Juliet, thank you. So SP, the caller won't know. Say the fact say then jam all of them put together like that. Whether that one no go, bring up some kind of health hazard to them and all that. So if you like respond to that one.
But then if like say we get one Henry on the line.
Okay, Henry.
Okay.
Is Henry there? Okay, Henry. All right. So, madam, what's your response to that? Looking at waiting our caller been talk, the health hazards regarding this situation. Shall we go even charge for that kind of situation if you look into them? Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. You hear us, madam?
I think the lady they talk say the way where they pack them,
Exactly.
something else.
Yes.
All these small children, like I thought, some of them, their mama did there, their papa did there with them.
Okay.
As they did the place. But some of them will say their papa no did, their mama no did there.
Okay.
The ones where their papa did, mama did. That Saturday, we don't tell them make they go house, make they go their house. Because some of them they say na church they won't go back, and we don't tell them say no. For now, if you go church, go back to your house. Go back, go meet your husband. Go back, go meet your family.
All right, make we take Kemi from Ogbomosho. Kemi.
Hello?
Kenny, good morning.
Okay, Kenny. Kenny, welcome.
Good morning.
Oh, yeah, now go ahead, Kenny. We hear you.
Yeah, I want to ask just two questions.
Oh, yeah, sharp.
The first question is, the first question is, did they really check the area to see, do they really provide that, check the area to see if there were other incriminating things there?
Okay.
And what are they putting in place to curb this kind of problem,
from happening
similar
again?
kind of situation in the nearest future?
All right.
That's my question.
Okay, madam, you don't hear the question now. You go fit help us answer them. You say whether on a check around to see whether this kind of thing, they any other places or any other incriminating things, and what I want to do to make sure say this kind of thing don't happen again for future.
As this matter don't happen now, we don't seal the church. We still do our investigation. They check so many things, if anything they. And of course, some of these people say, as we tell them where they go, they come back, we ask them some questions. Okay. As this kind of thing don't happen now, we don't they tell our people, say, when they see something, when they talk. Don't be say you go see something, go carry I come and say, you know, concern me. So far my family, you know, they there. Because sometimes some people go know all these things, but they say, what's it concern me? No be my business now. Yeah. My papa no dey, my mama no dey. Yeah. And as police, normal. We say if we don't try, we don't say our searchlights now. We're gonna build every corner, every nooks and crannies now. We're gonna check.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Marco Shapali take Emeka call, then we'll take a few messages and we'll come back to your response. Emeka, good morning.
Oh yeah, now.
Good morning, welcome.
Sir. So yeah, quickly ask your question.
Ask that police officer. Is it the parents of these children or who going to report to them that this something is happening, that they kidnap the children or what? I had big information. Is it from the parents or what?
Okay, thank you. Madam. Thank you, Emeka. You go answer that question, but Emeka Shapali take this message. Good morning, my people. I just want to talk about the Ondo church matter. I beg, na crime. Why pastor go gather church members for church? I think we need to touchlight this kind of matter. Well, it's not normal at all. Sharon from Lagos also asked that question. Yeah.
So, madam, I believe our last caller being asked whether who even talk say they kidnap the children, looking at say who report or something like that. So, if you help us answer that one, how not take get the information?
Some things they I know if he tell you.
All right.
We get information. We don't do the job. Okay. If I tell you the person will tell us now, I don't open the hands of that person. So another person will talk to us.
Thank you. Thank you. So how about the question we get to do with whether now it ain't normal for pastor to gather people like that for a long number of days without any proper, law guiding them and all that. Now the question where somebody asked me that's now normal thing for a pastor to gather people like that, plenty of them for a number of days, more than just day, without any proper approval or anything?
It depends on what that they do. Okay. You know, say some church, they get program, they go say they get 2 days program, get 3 days program.
Yeah.
Okay. But after the program, maybe in a conference, I've been waiting that they call them camping. Everybody go their house. Why you go keep person picking, person wife for over 6 months? Say because Jesus they come. You don't even allow some people go school. You know good now.
All right.
Okay. We take Henry from Calabar.
Harry.
Yeah, good morning.
Go ahead,
morning, Henry. Welcome.
Good morning.
Yes, now I see the call from Calabar. I don't want you now.
Sorry, No verse. Sorry.
I don't know the matter of where.
Oh yeah, now. Ask your question.
The issue when we talk, the pastor will carry to put on the ground, not the new pastor, and the pastor will know where body take come. If you are so let me see, some of us will only say property now, repent that they believe me before they do. So that we can make heaven. So those people where pastor keep them when they understand, because when we find pastor, we really pastor will pray for them, or they use kind of oil, or use anointed water, rub them, go away for that church, make their eyes clear. Because if they continue to do that, they will people ask questions, say to pastor come out for them. They're waiting pastor already prepare keep. So they run into police, they look for them. So when Nigeria government knows what they go do, they ask every people and go back to their family. Thank you.
Thank you, well, Henry. We'll just take one more call from Joseph. Joseph, welcome. Hello,
Joseph. You there? Okay. So CP, you like a response to the SP rather. You like response to that matter. The last caller when you talk about whether they go anoint, whether they don't do something to those people them to make them hold their ground like that concerning their support for the pastor.
Well, say like we talked before, some of them are adults.
Okay.
And they talk say they know they go anywhere. But as today, so government self don't intervene now. I tell you, say Ministry of Women Affairs don't come concerning the matter. They don't come. They don't talk to some of these children too. And they see as they still they do like say no, they no won't go anywhere. She even talk and say some of them, they will say they need rehabilitation. Say government too, that they work as they go, take accommodate them. Say look for modalities, accommodate them, rehabilitate them, so that they go no, they go fit do normal. Then they go fit go meet their papa and mama.
Okay.
All right,
Thank
make
you.
we
Thank
take
you.
Miriam.
Miriam, the callers from Lagos. Miriam,
Yeah,
good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning,
Good morning.
Miriam.
Welcome.
What is the plan for therapy for these people? Because by men looking at everything, there is, I don't think underground, we have underground churches are being approved in this country. Then I think thinking of monthly force and COVID. What are the plans for treatment and therapy for these people? Because by men looking at it, they are hypnotized. And I will appeal to you to investigate more into this matter. That is not what we are seeing. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right,
you.
Madam SB, at least you don't hear waiting the caller talk. Waiting be the plans for therapy.
Yes, I've said it before now that the government has intervened and they've said they were going to rehabilitate some of them. They're going to talk to them. So the government has actually intervened and they're going to do their part.
Okay.
All right. They do our own. Government self go do their own. Government don't come already.
All right. So
they don't take the matter up too. So they talk to the children now. They see as they talk. They see as they do. So they talk say they self they go do rehabilitation. They go know how to do everything.
We'll take our final
we'll take
caller.
Williams' call. Then we'll just take a few messages.
Our final call. Hello, Williams.
Hello. Good morning, Williams.
Good morning.
Oyana Williams, you get 60 seconds. Sharply ask your question a bit quickly.
Yeah, I'm concerned about this voter card out. I don't know why something like this happened. I went to NIS to do voter card. They asked me to do
Williams.
Williams, that's not what we're talking about right now. All right, SP, make a sharply read this message. He said, I find it difficult to believe what is happening. How can Papa and Mama Plus, including Pikin, no fit differentiate between true pastor or lie pastor? Please, let the law take its course. Bad eggs among us must be weed out. And so you talk, John Japheth. So, considering this message where this person talk, I would like to make you respond them. Okay. Make you sharply talk about the question which he just talked. What did he talk about? You know, what will go do to weed out this kind of thing, make it not happen again?
That's what I said before. I say as we did, so we said we done the beam and searchlight on top every nooks and crannies. And we they talk and say, people where they see this kind of thing, where they suspect this kind of thing, call us, send text, say, I they hear something, be like say this place, the thing they do there, you know normal, you know look like say now.
Could I get any number people feel call? May you just tell us quick. Any number people feel they call if they see all these kind of things? Just tell us quick.
Okay, I go drop my number for you. We have an emergency number, but I don't know how for head like this.
Okay, you send our emergency number so that we'll give the public.
Madam, we will just we'll go reach out to you again so that we'll get that emergency number, because if we put your own personal number now, if it be say everybody go they call you, the whole world go they disturb you. But no worry, we'll go reach out to you to get that emergency line so that now that one we know say people will they put out on top. We really appreciate you, madam, for talking to us. At least you don't help us clarify the matter. Say the thing where some of the things we see for papers not be really waiting happen on this issue. And we thank you. Say you take out time to help us break them down. We appreciate you very much. Thank you a lot, madam.